kit you're going to need. First off, you're going to need the 400XT Aero foot kit. That's the bottom piece there. Comes with the rubber, comes with the surround. Now, you're also going to need this. This is the part that clamps. This is kit 249. That's actually the kit that clamps onto underneath where the door's shut. That's also very important. All right, just starting to set these up the way they should be, you know, just kind of measuring it out and everything else. I was lucky. I got everything brand new off eBay. You know, eBay is the key to getting things. This is basically new old stock. People, you know, have stuff in their garages, just like myself, brand new stuff all the time. And that's basically the way you kind of want to find things, especially for the older vehicles, because they don't make this stuff anymore. So supposedly, I don't know if they make this thing anymore, but you know, they say it's discontinued, hard to find, whatever it is. You know, I'm using old stuff, just redoing stuff, you name it. But yeah, look at the difference so far. Just buffing a little bit. This ain't gonna come out perfect, but it will definitely look a lot better. I'm also gonna like drench this with back to black stuff. This way it absorbs in the rubber. I'm gonna tell you, they really don't make this easy. I mean, these old ones, you basically have to bang this thing to get it to clip in. Everything basically, it's very weird. I have the top one finally mounted up. That was a nightmare too.